Hi, welcome to the Magic of Math, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we are asked to estimate a sum by rounding. Here's your question. Victor wants to estimate the sum of this expression. 24 and 8/10 add 26 and 82/100 add 24 and 3/10 add 25 and 7/10. Which of the following is closest in value to the sum? And you have these four answer choices. So now I'd ask you to pause and solve. Come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back. So we are first going to understand that we are finding the value that is closest. So which of these numerical expressions is closest to the value of the sum? Reviewing that sum means we're going to add. So you can see here we have four numerical values that are being added, and we are going to estimate the sum. So we are going to round to see which one of these answer choices closely represents it. So when we look at these four numerical values, we're going to look at what comes to the right of our decimal point, and we are going to round these to a whole number value. If the number to the right of the decimal is 5 or greater, we're going to round our whole number up. If it is less than 5, we're going to keep it as the whole number that it is. So we have first 0.8 or 8/10. That is 5 or greater, so we're going to round this 24 to 25, seeing as it's closest to 25 rather than 24. The second value, we look and the numerical value to the right of the decimal point is an 8, which is 5 or greater, so we're going to take 26 and we're going to estimate that to be 27. Our next value here is 0.3 or 3/10. That is less than a half, less than 0.5, so we're going to keep 24 as our numerical value because it is closer to 24 than 25. Our fourth numerical value to the right of the decimal is a 7. That's great 5 or greater, so we're going to take this 25 and we're going to estimate it to be 26, seeing as we're closer to 26 than 25. Now, when we look at our four numerical values here, that's the first thing I note, is that I have four values all around 25, give or take 1 or 2 when we look at 27. So I'm automatically going to rule out choice D because that says we have 3 25s, and we don't. We have 4. And now I'm going to look at A and C. I see that 4 is 4 25s, which I, in my opinion, say these are all very close to 25. If we give one of these to this, we have 2 25s and a third 25, so we only have one numerical value that is 2 away, and the other 3 are 25s. So 20 is really too low, and 30 is really too high. So we've already estimated once. We don't want to estimate again, so we're going to say that choice C is the closest. And if we added these all up, 4 times 25 is 100, and that will be the closest value, because 25 plus 25 plus 25 would be 75, and over here we have 2 extra to deal with, so we'd have 102. So we know that we're really close to our estimate with choice B. So there you have it. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and you come back soon.